I'm going to Guam, Chamorro country. Then I'm going to Iwo Jima. I'm going to try to visit the governor on it and her husband, do some dancing. I want to see where I was and all of the places that I had been on Iwo Jima.
Okay, thank you.
And especially where I was shot with a machine gun. Today is the day I've been looking forward to because I'm back here in Guam. I probably shouldn't have come down here this time, but I just had to. I had to come over here to Guam again.
Oh!
Here we are standing on the beach where the tanks rolled in 1944, and I really didn't notice the sunset at that particular time to comment on it, but we saw them. We saw them from here, from up to Asan Beach on it. It was beautiful evening. I do remember that.
Not for long. Yeah. Don't be here for long. Thank you, sir. That's an honor. If I could, please, I'd like to give you something as well, sir. I would. I'll give you this coin right here. It means nothing to you, but it means a lot to me to give it to you.
Frank, I'm so sorry. I'm missing you. I came here really just for you, but and I'm sorry you weren't feeling good. But of course, it's very important that you get your health back. So I just want to know that in spirit and in my heart, I still think a lot about you.
Now I do. Appreciate you, sir. Thank you. That's pretty good. Corporal Marines, I'm here with Lieutenant General Grant. I'm the Sergeant Major of the Marine Corps. We're so sad that you couldn't make it here, but your spirit is here right now. So we look forward for you to see this and say Semper Fi, Corporal.
Made this gathering possible. I want to extend my special thanks to His Excellency Shiba, Prime Minister of Japan, for many effort dedication.
where Frank S. Wright landed. Behind me is the famous Mount Suribachi.
And on the left side of the aircraft, for those of you on the left, Mount Suribachi. Yellow 1.
Right. That was uncorked. They were corked and everything, and they had not been opened.
Down in Caribou, they had a great time.
So we were charging up from where we landed to go. I don't remember if it's called. I want to present this to Captain Bo Sullivan.
Well, Frank, it's a great pleasure to receive this from you and to be part of your story. And I'm so happy to have your friendship too. Thank you for coming out here. You've made a big impression on Guam again.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for our service. For your service.
I have been playing taps over a lot of graves in Lodi. Several were honored members of the Corps, and every time I do that, I break down. I'm a very, very emotional person. And that's what the people saw when I was trying to explain to the interviewer that I was, I should say forced, but that was one of my things I had to do in order to help relieve the Japanese from being there on it. I tried my best. I killed a hell of a lot on it. But and it hurt me, especially when I went to the village, Guam-Iwo village, which consisted of the old people. And you know, the original, I'm an old people. And they're my brothers. They were old. They were spying for the Japanese to tell them where to talk on the radio to the rest of the island of Iwo Jima, in the caves and the spider holes and everything else on it. They left it, and I had to kill everybody there in that particular place, the village, and also all the radios that was there, because they were broadcasting all this stuff. And that's one of the reasons that I started crying on it, thinking about that, and telling him on it. And I've done that several times when I've done that for the flag, raising the flag. I saw the flag go up on Shirabachi. And when they pulled that crap on me that would deny me the entry to where I played my heart out for them and for their freedom. And I want to thank you guys on it for all that you've done and helping me to forget some of this stuff that's stuck up there in my head. I've had a lot of stuff up in there, and I want to get rid of it. And you help.
Well, we got a lot of love
me
for you,
get
Frank.
rid of it.
Yeah.
And that's the main thing. That's why we're here also, for our friends on Guam and in life. Thank you, guys.
And I want to thank everybody that helped send us here and be able to see the same area that I fought in. Thank you.